We're gonna be replacing the tweeters from my 2020 from a 4runner. First thing you want to do is remove. I have this. It's an aftermarket HUD heads-up display. So if you don't have this, it's the same thing. Just remove the panel. This is how you remove the speaker, the tweeter cover. Spray it up. That's it. Then you're gonna remove this clip. This is a factory tweeter. It's held by 2 bolts as well. And this is the D518 that I just got. I got it on Amazon for like $80. I believe the connector, yeah, it looks like it's gonna be the same. Try it out right now. Let me see. Yes, it is the same. This is a harness that comes on the D518, and it plugs right into my 2024 runner. We're gonna remove these 2 bolts. You can see it fits right in the tweeter bracket, OEM tweeter bracket. And this is how it goes. OEM connector, just clip in, like no modifications needed. Let's see how